a state to solve this. So what is the logic? Integral c over f of z over this contour. It will be integration e to b f of z of t multiply by z dash of t. Correct? This is how you need to solve contour integral. Same thing as that in the previous one also used to do. And one more thing, if you are having two curve, then what? Then we can break. That is something like this: contour f of z plus g of z dz. Then this can be written as contour f of z plus it is over g of z. And one more was if you are having two curve, say this is your c1, and after this is there is a c2. You curve, so this is f of z dz over c, where c is c1 union c2, that will be equal to over c1 plus integral f of z dz over c2. Correct? This is also we have proved, if you remember. Prove this. And अगर contour अगर negative sign लिया, that is this is going from here to here, if you take minus c1, then you will get a minus sign here. That is like this: minus c f of z dz, that will be equal to minus of contour f of z dz. Correct? Let us do some example now. Find integral over c z bar dz. This is your integral. You want to see where c is the right hand half. That is z equal to 2 e raised to I theta, where theta is between this minus pi by 2, say pi by 2, right half. So this is your parameterization they have given, and of the circle mod z equal to 2, that is clear from here only. From if you say from point, then what will be your initial point and final point? Put minus pi by 2, put pi by 2. So that is from z equal to minus 2y to z equal to 2y. Correct? Yeah. So actually ये part अगर नहीं भी दिया है, then also you can understand from this parameterization. So this is the first example where I have already given you the parameterization. So what else you have to do? If you are having parameterization, then what else you have to do first? Find the derivative of that, correct? So what will be that? Z dash of t. What is z dash of t? It will be 2 e raised to I theta. It will be 2 theta 2I e raised to I theta, correct? This is derivative. And what is the formula to solve this z bar dz? It will be, this is my function z bar, so it will be a contour over theta. Now theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and it is f of what is your function? F of z equal to z bar. So it will be f of z, that is f of actually new z is 2 e raised to I theta. So answer is z bar. So it will be just e raised to I theta bar, correct, and multiplied by z bar, correct, multiplied by z bar. This is the rule. This is 2I e raised to I theta d theta. This is how what you have to solve now. So what is e raised to I theta bar? That is e raised to minus I theta. Let us do here. That is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This will be e raised to minus I theta multiply by what? It is I into 2I into, this is 2I into e raised to I theta. So this is gone. It will be 2I. So Correct. What is that? Mm, Wait, I'm missing something actually. See, the z was, z bar will be 2 times, no? Since z is what, 2 e raised to I theta, so z bar will be 2 times. So it will be 2 into 2, 4. So it will be 2 into 2 again here. So it will be 4. I take common. This is 0. This is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 d theta. That is what answer is, 4 pi and pi by 2 pi by 2. So it will be 4 pi I. Pi by 2 and they will get added. So this is your final answer. Correct? Yeah. That is, what did we solve? We solved this. Z bar dz, that is equal to 4 pi I. Correct? This is what we just now solved. Let us see once again how did we do. In this case the parameterization was given to us. That was easiest part. वो जो लोग ने दे दिया था. This is my parameterization. I just have to put it in the formula. What is the formula? This is my formula. F of z dz, at the place of z I will put f of zt into z dash of t. You just remember this formula. That's it. Correct? We'll solve more problems so that we get familiar with this. Yeah, uh, suppose let me take f of z. F of z equal to, yeah, this seems nice question. Y minus x minus I 3x square. Suppose this is my function and they want to calculate this. Calculate f of z over c, where c is what the diagram is given to you. There is a diagram and yeah, something like this. This is point E, this is point B, this is B is 1 plus I, and E is actually just I, and this is origin 0 0. Correct? And what they are saying, your C1 is OA union EB. OA and EB. That is your C1. This and this. Correct? And what is your C2? C2 is OB. This is C2 is OB. So what they want to calculate, so we want to calculate the integral over C1 first and calculate over C2 and try to find what is the value you are getting. Correct? So I want to go from this point to this point. Correct? There are two ways. One way is C1. C1, you know what is that? OA and EB are together. That is giving me C1. And what is this? See, this is C2. It is directly going from O to B. So you are having two ways to go from O to B. So you have to find two integral. That is, first one is over C1. Second one is sorry, yeah. Oh, second one is over C2. So let us start. पहले तो over C1 निकालने के लिए I have to calculate OA then AB. Correct? So let us try to find OA. That is right, OA. That is integral OA f of z dz. But for that I need a parametrization. Now try to see what is OA. OA is initial point is 0 0 and final point is 0 1. Can you give me a parametrization quickly? You are having 2 points. Can you give me a parametrization quickly? You know the trick. How do we used to solve? यहाँ पे मैं z of t बोलता हूँ. What will be my parametrization? This is 0 0 प्लस टी टाइम्स 0 1 काम करेगा क्या? व्हाट इज z ऑफ 0? Z of 0 will be my initial point and Z of 1 it will be my final point. So this will be a good parameterization for me. So that is 0 comma t. 0 comma t, that means what? This is just ti. And what is t? T is between 0 to 1. Correct? I hope you agree. Z of t equal to just ti. Do you understand? मैंने पैरामीटरेशन निकाला कैसे, सॉल्व कैसे किया? You are given 2 points. Correct? And we already know, हम लोग ने इस पे बहुत क्वेश्चन किए हैं. You are having 2 points, so how to get the parameterization? Correct? This is one is 1 minus t and second is t, ऐसा होता है. But in that case it was easy. That is I just need to observe something, that is अगर t equal to 0 पुट किया तो I need this guy, so मैंने t इसको दे दिया. अगर t equal to 1 पुट किया तो this should vanish, but ये तो 0 पहले से है, तो that is not an issue. Otherwise यहाँ पे मैं 1 minus t लिखता, 1 minus t into ये, but फर्क नहीं पड़ता because this is 0, so no issue. ठीक है. So you are having z of t as ti. What is z dash of t? It will be just I, correct? And let us write in the formula. What is formula? Integration OE f of z dz, that will be equal to what? Integration over dt हो जाएगा ये. This will be f of z of t multiplied by z dash of t, and where t is between 0 to 1 now we are having. So what is this 0 to 1? F of z of t means what? What is your z of t? 0 and t put करना है in this function. That means at the place of y you need to put t, and at the place you will to put 0. So इसमें क्या आएगा? You will just get t. So I am having t here. This is t multiplied by z dash of t. क्या आया? I have I. So z of t is just I dt, correct? So this is what you are having. You can take I common. It will be t square by 2. This is 0 to 1. So answer is I by 2. Correct? For integral over OA is I by 2. Do you agree? Should I repeat it once again? The first part, what was my motto? My motto was I want to go from 0 0 to this guy. Correct? So I want to have a parameterization. So what is my observation? I took z of t equal to, if I put t equal to 0 I should get this guy. So मैंने क्या किया, जो सेकंड वाले बंदा है उसको मैंने t दे दिया, so that 0 पुट किया तो ये vanish होएगा. I'll get the first term. And if I put t equal to 1 I should get the second guy. T equal to 1, this guy is already 0, otherwise I will be putting 1 minus t here. तो ये पहले से 0 तो कुछ फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता मेरे लिए. So this is what I am having, 0 comma t, that means what? This is ti. So z of t equal to ti मिल गया, z dash निकालो, that's it. Can we similarly do from a to b? Now let us see. EB. AB, that means what are the 2 points? You want to go from 0 to I, that is 0 comma 1 to, where are you going? You are going 1 comma 1. Can you give me a parameterization quickly? Anybody? What should I put z of t equal to? It is definitely 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 1, but I need the coefficient. What should I put the coefficient? Yes, that means if I put z of 0, I should get the first term. Yes. So what should I put the coefficient? Anybody? Something times 1 comma 1. What is here? What is here? If I put z of 0, I should get the first point. If I put z of 1, I should get the second point. Can you give me parameterization? If you remember your semester 5, then you should answer it quickly. See, z of 0, that means what? This guy should vanish. So let us give t here. So if I put t equal to 0, this will vanish. Correct? Now if I put t equal to 1, then I want this guy to vanish. No? So t equal to 1, that means what? Here I should have 1 minus t. Correct? If I put t equal to 1, this is vanishing, I am getting this. Now let us check whether it is okay with t is equal to 0. If I put t equal to 0, I will be having this as, this is okay, perfect. So let us just quickly solve it. So this is what? 0 comma 1 minus t, and here it is t comma t. So that means what? Here you are having t comma, it will be 1. Correct? This is your parameteration. And how will you write this? Z of t equal to t plus I. And you know what is the bound for t? 0 to 1. And what is z dash of t? Z dash of t is just 1. Do you agree? This was all about the parameterization, how to parameterize your curve. Once you are done with parameterization, then you know how to solve the integration. Correct? Once you know what is the parameterization, I'll just quickly repeat once again. This is my first point, this is my second point. So I want a parameterization, I want to go from here to here. When I put t equal to 0, I would need this guy, and when I put t equal to 1, I need this guy. Remember, this is the standard trick of parameterization of a straight line. So what I'm putting, z of t equal to 1 minus t into 0 1 plus t times 1 1. T equal to 0 पे check करो. T equal to 0 पे I'm getting this is vanishing, I'm getting this guy. If I put t equal to 1, this is vanishing, I'm getting this guy. So that's perfect. Just solve किया, z of t मिल गया. Let us find integration over ab f of z dz. This will be over dt. It is f of z of t into z dash of t. What is z of t? Now I am having 0 to 1. So this is 0 to 1. What is f of z of t? Now in this case my z of t is t comma 1. Na? So at the place of x I need to put t. At the place of y I need to put 1. Try to observe. At the place of x I need to put t. Correct? And at the place of y I need to put 1. So यहाँ पे आएगा 1 1 minus t minus I 3 t square. This will be 1 minus t minus I 3 t square. This is my function, that is f of z dot t into z dash of t. Z dash of t क्या आया अपना 1 आया है, तो that is not an issue. Multiply by 1 dt. You just need to solve this integration. तो ये क्या आएगा? The first one will be uh, t minus t square by 2 minus 3I t cube by 3, and that integration is from 0 to 1. 1 put किया तो क्या आएगा? 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 3I by 3. So 3 is gone. This is 1 by 2 minus I. Correct? So this is you have got 1 by. Just quickly verify. Huh? So what is your integral over C1? अगर मैंने बोला तो वो क्या रहेगा? This will be integral over OA f of z dz plus integral over AB f of z dz. Correct? You need to add two people. What is the first one? That is I by 2. And what is the second one? That is 1 by 2 minus I. So what is the total? This is I. So yeah. So it will be 1 minus I by 2. Yes, I hope you it is clear to you. If you it is not, I'll repeat it once again for you. अभी तक हमने क्या सॉल्व किया? ओ ए सॉल्व किया, ए बी सॉल्व किया. सो इंटीग्रल ओवर सी वन मिल गया अपने को. सी वन क्या था? ओ ए एंड ए बी. करेक्ट? So that is done. Now what next I need to do? I need to find OB, that is C2. Correct? So OB के लिए point क्या क्या है? This is 0 0, this is 1 1. So now again my question will be, can you give me a parameterization? EB na? Sorry, OB. That is integral over C2 f of z dz, that is equal to integration over OB f of z dz. Correct? Now let us try to see parameterization. 0 0 है इधर है, यहाँ पे 1 1 है. Can you give me a parameterization quickly? Can you give me a parameterization? That means if I put t equal to 0, I'll just write 0 0 here and I'll write 1 comma 1 here. If I put t equal to 0, I need this guy, तो यहाँ पे t multiply होना चाहिए. If I put t equal to 1, I need this guy to ये तो zero पहले से तो I don't have to put here anything. Correct. So this is my parameter. So what is the parameter? T comma T is the parameterization. Correct. So z of t मिल गया t comma t. That means what? T plus ti. And what is z dash of t? It is 1 plus I. So let us put it in the function. That is this is 0 to 1 f of z of t into z dash of t dt. So 0 to 1, what is f of z of t? You see at the place of x and y, you just need to put tt. So it will be, what was the function? It will be t minus I 3t square and multiplied by z dash of t. What is z dash of t? That is 1 plus I, and this is dt. You just need to solve this and calculate. So t and t is gone, 0 हो गया ये, and this is 1 plus I. So it is 0 to 1. It is what? Minus I 3t square 1 plus I dt. What will be, everybody is constant, just t square छोड़ के. So it will be t cube by 3. 3 3 cancel. The final answer would be uh, it is I minus I. अगर अंदर multiply, it will just 1 minus I. Just quickly check. Yeah, just quickly check whether this is 1 minus I. Everybody is constant here. Minus I 3 and 1 plus I is constant. T square will be t cube by 3. 3 3 cancel. Minus I multiply karo, you will get this 1 minus I. Is that okay? So we have got integration over C1 also, integration over C2 also, correct? And both are different. Do you see? This guy is 1 minus I and that was something else. That was 1 minus I by 2, correct? What can you say then? Initial point, they have initial, same initial point, correct, but they have different value. And if you say they are subtraction, then you will see how much they are different, correct. Yeah. So if the question was uh, if the question was calculate integral f of z over simple closed contour, closed contour, OEBO, if this was the question, over simple closed contour you have to calculate. तो अपने को क्या करना पड़ता? That means you have to calculate C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2 means what? Minus C2 मतलब क्या, जो C2 का वैल्यू है वो क्या रहेगा? This will be just I1 minus I2 you can calculate. That is, what is your I1? That is 1 plus I by 2, and minus what is I2? 1 minus I. If you get this, then क्या आएगा ये? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. This is correct, yeah. So that is over the contour. You are getting the final answer. Correct. Why? Why? Because, yeah. Why negative with minus C2? Let us see the graph once again. This was going here, then here. Then I want to come back here. Correct. यहाँ से यहाँ, then I want to come back. So my parametrization will give the negative sign to me. That's it. Correct. Yeah. Okay. So similarly, if you are having n curves, then you have to add everybody. Okay. I'll give some more example. Uh, If the parametration is given, then you don't have to work anything. I hope that is okay. The next thing is you just need to have the parameterization. अगर parameterization पता है तो easy है, नहीं पता है तो you just have to find the parameterization then do. Let us do one more problem. Let C denote the semicircular path. If you see your practical, then you will find many questions of this. And I want you to do that. Z equal to 3 e raised to I theta. That means this is a circle with radius 3 and the parameterization is 0 is less than theta is less than pi. This is just upper half, you can say upper half plane. Correct? That is from the point z equal to 3 to z equal to minus 3. Uh, and the function, suppose I am doing f of z equal to z raised to 1 by 2. So this is